Time for a struggle challenge. Let's see what you got for me today. I've got a whole bunch of frozen tater tots in my freezer. I guess I could reheat them, but that seems a little sad. What could I do to make it more exciting? Let's see what you got. Tater tots. I love a good tot. They're so delicious, and there's so many things you can make with them. Let's head over to the pantry and see what else you got. I'm sure we'll drum up something delicious. All righty then. We got all kinds of things here. I see peppers and olives and beans. Beans are good. Let's see what we got in the fridge. Sour cream and tortillas. You know what? I've got a great idea. Let's grab the eggs, grabbing the cheddar, grabbing the sour cream, the tortilla. Black beans, tater tots, tortilla, tomato. I got an avocado. When I go to California, I go to this coffee shop and they've got a breakfast burrito that I absolutely love. It's got tater tots and eggs inside. It's delicious. So I think we should take those tots, get them in the oven, and then we start figuring out the other components for the ideal California breakfast burrito tater tot sensation. Let's get started. Tray coming down. Boom. I'm gonna hit it with some tots. Da-da-da. Next thing I wanna do is get these beans going. Let's open up our beans. Come in with some oil. We're gonna put our beans in. All right, I'm coming over here. I see oregano, I see cumin, I see cayenne, and I see garlic powder. So let's go with a little bit of cayenne here, oregano, and we'll hit it with a little bit of garlic powder too. Got the salt. Very nice. Those spices are gonna make those beans taste really breakfasty burrito. It's also setting our path towards the flavor profile that we're looking for. Let that cook out and get really flavorful. All right, so I'm gonna take my beans, eggs. Struggle whisk 7500, crack up these yolks, mix them up real good. Get some oil in our pan. All right, now once the eggs are in there, I'll hit them with salt and pepper. Pretty loose fold egg here. I want nice ribbons. We need to get our tortilla. All right, I'm gonna put that on the plate. Egg is looking good. Let's get that egg right in the middle of that tortilla. All right. Boom. Let's prep our other ingredients real quick. I've got this tomato. Can't be a California breakfast burrito without an avocado. Let's get a couple black beans in there. Great. Tots are coming out. Let's get some tots in here. A wee bit of cheddar. This is gonna be delicious. And then I'm coming up this way, over and fold again. And there we are. With our burrito is nice and tight. I think we should go right into the pan now to solidify this fold here. Got our burrito here. We're gonna cut the burrito in half. So our burrito looks pretty decent. You can see all of the ingredients in the cross section. Nothing seems to be mushy or anything like that, and it is holding together. I, however, am not the world's greatest burrito wrapper, but I do like the variety of colors, and I do like our sort of scrambled egg omelet thing that's happening in there. I think it's like a 7 on looks. Yeah, so as I hold it, it feels sturdy, so I'm gonna add half a point to myself back for that. 7.5 on looks. All right, let's take a bite. It's delicious. Man, you got those tater tots. They are salty, they are crispy, they are fantastic. And then immediately you've got a little bit of raw tomato and the avocado. And you're like, ooh, this is fresh, this is nice. And then you're hit with the melty cheese, the egg, and the beans, which add a bunch of flavor and give you all those comforting, awesome things that you're looking for. Absolutely delicious. Clearly, California knows what it's doing. This is a 10 on flavor. 7.5 plus 10, 17.5, 17.5 over 20 gives us 87.5. It's the B+. We crushed this challenge. If you're looking for something to do with frozen tater tots, make a burrito. You can make it your own, and it's gonna be great no matter what. Thank you for this challenge.